Hey, Naim, how are you?
Yes, I'm also fine, brother. How are you?
I'm also fine. What are you doing here?
We came here. It's our outdoor session.
Oh, outdoor session.
Yeah, we are
What
making
is
conversation.
Outdoor session. What is this outdoor session?
Outdoor session is one kind of our academic rules.
Academic rules.
Yeah, we are making conversation outside. One-to-one conversation with us. It's our practice session. It's making practice session. Yes.
We are a student right now.
Yeah, we are students.
Yes. Okay, Naim. Now we are gonna talking to our traffic jam and about this overpass.
Overpass.
You know what is this?
Yeah, it's a food overbridge.
Food overbridge.
Yeah.
When we cross the road, we need to this type of overbridge. Without overbridge, we cannot save.
Yeah.
Are you agree with me?
Yeah, of course.
But everybody, I think there are lots of people didn't obey this rule. But why? Can you explain?
Our countries, everybody should use overbridge, food overbridge, but we don't use overbridge. But why we don't use overbridge, I don't know. Maybe there are people think overbridge is used maybe hassle.
Yeah.
They are face hassle. It's a very
at this
high.
time I just added this overbridge is made by iron or some tin. This overbridge, if we cross this road, when we use this overbridge, and we 100% safe from the road accident.
Road accident, yes.
You know, there are lots of people every day died in this accident.
No, I have not actually idea how many people die every day on road accident. I know most of the people accident on road. When there are people don't use overbridge and cross the road. That time some vehicle came here and
I just shared you our country in every day those people die. From those people 50% people die from road accident.
Oh my God.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
This is a I think a BRAC or Save the Children. Save the Children is research. This is not my own research. This is the
government research.
Maybe BRAC, our NGO, non-government organization, NGO, and BRAC and Save the Children. But right now I have I didn't memorize.
Okay.